Hello guys, this is Angelis here, and today we're reading Looking at Layers, looking inside the human body. Now, with that out of the way, let's get into it. Looking at Layers, looking inside the human body, by Emily Huddleston. Chapter 1, Cells and Tissues. The human body is made up of trillions of cells. A cell is a building block of living things. It is tiny. The only way to see a cell is with a microscope. More than 200 types of cells work together in the human body. Cells make up tissues. Tissues are groups of cells that work together. Different types of tissues have different jobs. For example, the brain is made of nerve cells. These cells make up nerve tissue. Nerves send messages throughout the brain and up and to the body. Cells and tissues make up all parts of the human body. The human body has 4 main layers. Skin is the outer layer. Underneath are the muscles, organs, and skeleton. These layers overlap and work together. Layers of the body: skin, muscles, organs, and skeleton. Chapter 2, Skin. Skin is the body's outer layer. It is protective covering. It holds everything inside. Skin has nerves in it. The nerves make skin sensitive. Nerves feel tiny movements. They feel whenever something is hot or cold. They send all these messages to the brain. Some nerves surround the bases of hairs. Nails grow out of the skin. They are hard and flat. They protect the tips of fingers and toes. Nails grow all the time. It takes about 3 months for a whole nail to replace itself. New skin cells are created in the top layer of skin: hair, blood vessels, fat, and sweat glands. Skin itself has 3 layers. The inner layer is fatty. It supplies nutrients to the layers above. It also keeps the body warm. The middle layer is the thickest part of the skin. It can stretch out and snap back into place. Blood vessels are here. Hair grows out of this layer. Sweat glands are in this layer. Sweat helps keep the body at a regular temperature. The top layer of the skin is thicker in some areas than in others. For example, the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet are thick. Those areas need to be tough. Some cells on the skin's top layer are dead. Dead cells flake off the body. Chapter 3, Muscles. The muscle layer is underneath the skin. Muscle is a type of tissue that contracts. Muscle produces movement. Movement allows people to do daily activity. Without movement, people would not be able to eat, walk, or breathe. There are 3 main types of muscle. Most muscle in the human body is skeletal. Skeletal muscle attaches to bones, the body. People are aware of their skeletal muscles. People control when these muscles move and what movements they make. Example: cows are skeletal muscles in the lower legs. They let people rise on their toes. The human body has more than 600 skeletal muscles. The heart is the hardest working muscle in the body. The second type of muscle is cardiac muscle. It is only found in the heart. Cardiac muscle makes the heart pump blood. Cardiac muscle works on its own. Smooth muscle is a fur type of muscle. It lines organs, blood vessels, and skin. It helps many organs do many jobs. For example, smooth muscle in the stomach contracts to help break down food, like cardiac muscle. Smooth muscle cannot be controlled. Smooth muscle contracts more slowly than skeletal muscle. It also uses less energy to contract. Skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, cardiac muscle. Skeletal and cardiac muscle cells are made of very small fibers that make the cell look striped. These fibers contract the muscle. Chapter 4. Organs. Organs are found throughout the body. They are made of groups of tissues. Each organ has its own purpose. Most organs are internal. They are inside the body. People cannot see them. The brain is one of the many internal organs. It's located in the head. It is made of 100 billion nerve cells. An adult brain weighs about 3.3 pounds, 1.5 kilograms. The brain controls the whole body. The stomach and intestines are also internal organs. The stomach breaks down food. The intestines are long tubes, take in nutrients from the food. Stomach organs are external. They are partly outside the body. The eyes, ears, nose, and tongue are external organs. People use them to see, hear, smell, and taste. People have two intestines, a large and small intestine. Small intestine, large intestine. A group of organs makes up an organ system. Organs work in a system. Organs in a system work together. The human body has 9 major organ systems. Organ systems help the body accomplish different tasks. One system helps the body breathe. The main organ in this system is the lungs. Lungs pull air into the body. They collect oxygen from the air. Oxygen goes into the blood. Lungs then push the air. Body does not eat. Lungs have tubes that direct air. The nervous system moves blood throughout the body. The main organ of this system is the heart. It pushes blood through blood vessels. These carry the blood. One system removes waste from the body. The kidneys are one part of the system. Kidneys are shaped like beans. The body has 2 kidneys. They clean the blood. Blood. Blood is both a tissue and a liquid. It's made of cells that float in a liquid. Blood reaches every part of the body. It carries oxygen and nutrients to the body's cell. It takes waste away from those cells. Cells cannot survive without the flow of blood. Chapter 5. Skeleton. The skeleton is the base of the body. It is made of 206 bones. Everything in the body is built around the skeleton. The skeleton has 2 main parts. One part supports and protects the body. This part includes the spine, skull, and rib cage. Spine is made of many little bones. It runs down the center of the back. It protects the spinal cord. The spinal cord sends messages from the brain to the rest of the body. Skull and rib cage protects organs such as the brain and heart. The second part is made for motion. It includes the hand, foot, arm, and leg bones. The largest and strongest bones of the body are thigh bones. Spine. Spine is slightly curved in an S shape. Bones connect to joints. There are different types of joints. The names of the joints describe how they work. One example is a hinge joint. Hinges bend in one direction. Elbows are hinge joints. Example: joint that has a socket. Another example is a joint that has a socket. It's called a ball and socket joint. A ball rolls in a socket. It can move more freely in all directions. Hips are ball and socket joints. Space between bones is cushioned by a padding tissue called cartilage. Bones are connected to ligaments. Muscles connect to bones. Tendons. Ligaments and tendons hold the body together. They are thicker and stronger than other tissues. The human body is a combination of layers. Each layer is important. The body's layers work together every day to keep a person alive. Fun facts. The cell is the basic building block of the human body. Different cells make up different tissues. The human body is made up of trillions of cells. Skin has 3 layers. The skin protects the body. Hair and nails grow out the skin. Muscles contract and produce movement. The 3 types of muscle are skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Organs are groups of tissues that have a purpose. Organs work together in systems. Organ systems help the body breathe, move blood, remove waste, and more. The skeleton protects and supports the body. The skeleton is made up of 206 bones. And that is for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Later.